If there's a car that truly captures the golden era of American muscle, it's the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe in its iron gray finish. Just picture it for a moment: long hood, short rear deck, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable first-generation Camaro silhouette sitting low and wide like it owns the road. Today we're diving deep into this classic machine, exploring its exterior design, the iron gray presence, the interior experience, performance character, pricing in today's collector market, and why it still turns heads decades after it first hit the streets. The first thing that hits you is the presence. The 1968 Camaro Sport Coupe was already part of Chevrolet's answer to the muscle car wars, but in iron gray, it takes on a completely different personality. It's not loud in color, but it's loud in attitude. The paint has that deep metallic seriousness that shifts slightly under light, revealing subtle contours in the body lines. You notice how the long hood stretches forward with purpose, almost like it's leaning into motion even when parked. The signature split grille up front looks sharp and focused, flanked by round headlights that give it a slightly aggressive stare without losing its classic charm. Walk around the front quarter and you see how clean the design really is. No unnecessary clutter, just pure late 60s American styling. The chrome bumper wraps neatly around the front, catching reflections from the road and surroundings. The subtle SS-inspired proportions may not always be present on every sport coupe, but even in its standard form, the car carries an athletic shape that feels ready to move. The iron gray finish elevates this by toning down the flash and emphasizing the muscle underneath. From the side profile, this Camaro is pure poetry in steel. The proportions are what make it iconic: a long front end, compact cabin, and a rear section that feels tight and purposeful. The wheel arches are slightly flared, giving it that planted stance that muscle car enthusiasts love. Depending on the setup, you might see classic rally wheels or period-correct steel wheels with chrome hubcaps, both of which complement the iron gray paint beautifully. There's a subtle badge presence along the fenders, reminding you that this is not just a design exercise, it's a performance machine from an era when horsepower was king. Moving toward the rear, the design stays clean and functional. The dual taillights on each side are instantly recognizable, framed neatly into the rear panel. A simple chrome bumper ties it all together. There's no excessive styling here, just honest muscle car design. When the sunlight hits the iron gray paint at the rear angle, it almost looks like brushed metal, giving the car a slightly modern industrial vibe while still staying true to its vintage roots. Now stepping inside, the gray interior continues the understated but purposeful theme. It's not trying to be luxurious in the modern sense, it's about function, driver connection, and simplicity. The seats are typically vinyl, shaped to hold you in place rather than cushion you like a modern cruiser. The gray tones inside match the exterior in spirit, creating a unified aesthetic that feels calm but serious. The dashboard stretches wide with a clean horizontal layout, featuring simple analog gauges that tell you everything you need to know without distraction. The steering wheel is large, thin-rimmed, and directly connected to the road feel that muscle cars are known for. You sit low inside the cabin, almost like you're part of the chassis rather than sitting on top of it. Chrome accents on the dashboard and door trims add just enough contrast to keep things visually interesting without going overboard. You won't find modern screens or digital clusters here, everything is mechanical, tactile, and honest. One of the most charming aspects of the interior is how raw it feels. You hear the engine, you feel the vibrations, and you're constantly aware that this is a machine built in a different era. Even the switches and knobs have a satisfying mechanical click to them. It's the kind of interior that rewards driving over long conversations with technology. Now let's talk about what really brings this car to life: performance. Under the hood, the 1968 Camaro Sport Coupe could be equipped with several engine options, most famously the small block V8s like the 327 and 350 cubic inch engines, along with larger big block options and performance trims. In a typical iron gray street setup, you're likely looking at a V8 configuration that delivers anywhere from 275 to over 350 horsepower depending on tuning and condition. The power delivery is immediate and unfiltered. There's no electronic intervention, no traction control systems working in the background, just carbureted muscle and raw mechanical energy. When you press the throttle, the engine responds with a deep, throaty roar that builds into a powerful growl as the revs climb. Acceleration isn't just about speed, it's about sensation. You feel the torque push through the rear wheels, the chassis shifting slightly as the weight transfers under hard acceleration. A 0 to 60 miles per hour run in a well-tuned example can sit in the 6 to 7 second range, which, for a late 60s car, is seriously impressive. But numbers alone don't define the experience. What matters more is how connected you feel to the road. The steering is heavy by modern standards but communicates every bit of the pavement beneath you. The suspension is firm, tuned more for control than comfort, meaning every corner feels deliberate and engaging. When you take it through corners, the Camaro feels alive. There's body roll, yes, but it's part of the charm. It reminds you that this is a muscle car, not a sports coupe trying to imitate precision handling. The exhaust note becomes your soundtrack, deep, aggressive, and constantly present. In iron gray, the car almost feels more serious, like it's not trying to impress you with color or flash, but instead with raw mechanical honesty. Now, shifting into the collector perspective, pricing for a 1968 Camaro Sport Coupe varies significantly depending on condition, originality, engine configuration, and restoration quality. A well-maintained driver quality example can typically start in the range of around $35,000 to $50,000. Fully restored or high-spec builds, especially those with performance upgrades or rare engine options, can easily climb into the $60,000 to $100,000 plus range. The iron gray color itself doesn't necessarily increase value on its own, but it does add a certain desirability factor among enthusiasts who prefer understated, factory-style finishes over bright restorations. Matching numbers, original panels, and correct interior restoration can significantly influence pricing. As with most classic muscle cars, provenance matters. Cars with documented history or rare factory configurations tend to command stronger market interest. Maintenance and ownership also play a role in the overall cost experience. These cars are relatively simple mechanically compared to modern vehicles, but they require regular attention. Carburetors need tuning, ignition systems require periodic checks, and suspension components may need refreshing depending on usage. However, this simplicity is also part of the appeal. You can work on it, understand it, and truly connect with it in a way modern cars rarely allow. Bringing it all together, the iron gray 1968 Camaro Sport Coupe is more than just a classic car, it's a statement of an era when driving was raw, mechanical, and deeply emotional. It doesn't rely on technology or artificial enhancement. Instead, it delivers its experience through sound, feel, and presence. From its bold exterior stance to its minimal gray interior and powerful V8 performance, everything about it is designed to engage the driver at a fundamental level. And that's exactly why it still matters today. In a world of increasingly digital and isolated driving experiences, a car like this brings you back to basics. It reminds you what it means to feel the road, to hear the engine, and to control a machine that responds purely to your input. If you're watching this as a car enthusiast, or even just someone curious about classic American muscle, the iron gray 1968 Camaro Sport Coupe stands as a perfect example of why this era is still celebrated. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about authenticity. And that's where we'll leave it.